Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background on Google Slides using your phone. Whether you are on iOS or Android, it doesn't really matter. It is the same for both the devices, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. And first, let's get started with the video. Now, you have to open the Google Slides app and open the presentation where you want to change the background of. Simply choose that one, and here open the presentation. To edit the presentation, simply click on edit right, and here the slides will open as you can see. After that, you can simply click on the three dots on the left side or right side of the screen and choose change theme right over here. And in presentation, you can change any of this theme and change the color, or you can simply choose the whole screen right here. You can delete it like this and choose the whole screen, and you can change it by doing this and adding a shape and resizing the shape to the screen size as you can see here. Now simply change the color of that shape, and as you can see, the screen or the slide changes color instantly. And you can add text box, anything that you want over this shape. And that's it guys, your slide now have a fresh new background. In just a few taps, you can add this to any slide that you want as much as you want. And thank you for watching, and if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment your favorite background style. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.